In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change text direction in Excel. Start by opening your Excel spreadsheet so you can work directly with the data or labels you want to adjust. Once your sheet is open, click the cell that contains the text you want to rotate. If you need to change the direction for more than one cell, you can also click and drag to highlight a group of cells at the same time. This is helpful if you want several headings or labels to have the same text direction and keep your worksheet looking consistent. Next, look at the top of the Excel window and make sure you are on the Home tab. This is where most common formatting tools are located, including the controls used to adjust text alignment and orientation. If you are on a different tab, simply click Home to switch over. After that, find the alignment group near the middle of the ribbon. This section includes several tools for positioning text inside a cell, and one of those tools is the one you need for changing text direction. Look for the Orientation button. The icon usually shows a slanted lowercase ab with a small diagonal arrow, which makes it easier to recognize. Click the Orientation button to open the drop-down menu. You will now see several text direction options to choose from. Angle counterclockwise tilts the text upward, which can be useful for narrow column headers. Angle clockwise tilts the text downward and can create a similar effect in the opposite direction. Vertical text stacks the letters from top to bottom, which is useful when you want to save horizontal space. You will also see Rotate Text Up, which turns the text 90 degrees upward, and Rotate Text Down, which turns the text 90 degrees downward. These options are especially useful when you want to make column headings fit into smaller spaces without widening the columns too much. Once you click your preferred option, Excel will immediately apply that text direction to the selected cell or cells. If the result is not exactly what you wanted, you can reopen the Orientation menu and choose a different setting until the text looks right for your layout. This is a simple formatting feature, but it can make your spreadsheet easier to read and more organized, especially when working with headers or compact tables. That covers everything you need to know.